Dear friends, sorry, you could not listen to my, welcome speech, so I'm just repeating my welcome speech. Dear friends, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the third IPGA National Pulse Seminar. It is IPGA hosted its first National Pulse Seminar in 2017 to take it forward to the established by the Pulses Conclave, the world largest conference on pulses hosted once every 2 years by IPGA since year 2012. The National Pulses Seminar serves two purposes. One hand, we celebrate the World Pulses Day, and on the other hand, we took to present an overview of the production, demand, supply, and price outlook of the pulses in India and international origins. Friends, 2020 has been a tough year for all of us. While some of us have been fortunate to see only minor inconveniences in their plans and routines, and others have lost livelihood, putting their very survival at stake. Social responsibility. At IPGA, we consider it is our duty to safeguard the nutritional security of our fellow Indians, and hence we contributed about 6,000 ration bags to containment zones and police personnel families in Mumbai area and PM Care funds. During the lockdown, West Bengal was hit by Cyclone Amphan, and we handed over 5,000 ration kits as a part of disaster relief efforts of the administration to the cyclone victims in Kolkata. Of course, our duties are not limited to the crisis situation. Taking holistic CSR approach, IPG also contributed to tackling two acute problems of rural central Maharashtra and water scarcity and vocational training. Thus, in 2016, we undertook a massive water rejuvenation project in the 10 villages in the region and helping lakhs of farmers in the process. Recently, we inaugurated a computer and swimming training centers in the same region, providing the local youth an opportunity of economic independence and livelihood. New way of working. 2020 has posed many challenges to our activities. Yes, as the country closed down, the digital world opened up, and we seized the opportunity to expand our scope, and we launched the IPJ Knowledge Series, a series of monthly webinars on the topics that are critical interest to the pulses sector in India and world at large. We hosted webinars on agri reforms, kharif production, and few individual pulses like lentils, chickpeas, etc. Each of these webinars have over 900 participants from India and across the globe. In our quest to crystallize and gathering and disseminate the knowledge around the policies, we humbly recognize the importance of being lifelong learners. To that and IPG has constituted advisory committee comprising of five visionary leaders and stalwarts to guide us to a deeper insight of the policy sector and help us interact more effectively with our stakeholders as well as government. At IPGA, pulses are not just a, a product. They are a promise to our nutritional security for a significantly vegetarian nation such as ours, and India's leading knowledge hub and a think tank on the pulses and the grains industry. Our focus is not limited to just a market dynamics, but also goes beyond it to covering a value of pulses in our health, society, and country. Friends, today the entire world is celebrating the World Pulses Day, and it is befitting that we all come together to celebrate this important day with the role of the pulses in the nutritional security being a key part of the seminar. We are looking to build an ecosystem of pulses which truly nourishes our population and quite simply enriches our cuisines with a delicious that makes eating a pleasure. I thank you all joining IPG in this effort, and I'm absolutely confident that we shall find upcoming presentation exciting, informative. Welcome you again.